Hi guys, how are you? Today I will show you Samsung J7 2017 model number, how to replace front camera. So let's do it. Let's start. Okay. So I already some heated here and I will open this before. So okay, very careful. Use this but not the fully inside, only little bit with 2 mm, 1 mm, and open this very carefully. Let's turn. So okay, so now you remove the LCD first and then you remove the all screws. You need to remove all screws. Something hide in glue, double tape, and you can find it. Otherwise, your phone is going to not open the middle frame. So remove that all screws. Too much screws. So you need to remove one. Okay, so I removed it all, and now try to open this frame. It's done. So you need to remove this frame, and then this is the front camera. You can see this. This is the front camera. So it's not working before. So I need to remove this. Okay. So it's removed. Now put back on the other one camera. You must need to remove battery and put back on before closing. So I removed it already. So now I will put back on the new camera. Okay, so this is the new camera. It's here and put back on, and you must remember to connect the battery connectors. And then you need to take this back on here and put back on the screws. If you don't know anything about this, don't try at home, because this video is for only learning. So I will make this video. Put back on all screws first, and okay, so it's all done. Now put back on the screen. Here the connectors, and the connectors you must need to put here. Okay, so I will check. Yes, perfect. So guys, today I finished the J7 Samsung J7 2017. The front camera replacement I will show it to you before. If you see my video, see all my video and like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Again I make more video for see you. Thanks.